back guys to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you that how you can find out the number is prime or not in Python. So before I start writing the code, I would like to tell you that what is prime number. I hope many of you must be knowing as well. Prime number is basically a number which is divisible by 1 or itself. So let's take an example here. Let's take an example of 7. So this is a prime number. So how we can find out that this is a prime number or not? It's a very simple trick, that as the number is already divisible by 1, everyone is knowing. So now we will start it dividing by 2. So if the number is successfully divisible by 2, or the number is successfully divisible by 3, and then 4, and then 5, and we will check till 6, because by 7 it will be divisible obviously. So we'll try dividing it by 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If the number which is given 7, if it is divisible by any of these numbers starting from 2 to 6, it will not be said to be as a prime number, because the prime number can be divisible by itself and 1 only. And if it is not divisible, then it is a prime number. So now let us take an example of 10. So as I have written here 10, so we will divide it by starting the loop from the 2, because we will not start the loop from 1, because it will already be divisible by 1 and itself. So I will divide it by 2, 3, 4. So if it is going to be divided by any of the numbers, it is said to be as a not prime number. And I have taken the example of 5. You can see here 5, will start dividing it from 2 to 4. So we will divide it by 2, 3 and 4. It is not divisible, so it is said to be as a prime number. So now let us do the coding now. So now I am going to write here, take a variable num, and I am going to ask the user to input any number for checking that it is a prime number or not. So I have taken the variable num, I have written the input statement, and now what we are going to do, as we want that the number should be checked starting from 2 till the number minus 1 position, because it will be divisible by itself if the user enters 7. So we need to divide it till 6. So I am going to use a for loop here, in which I will take a I as a counter variable, wherein I will start the loop from 2 till num. Num as the upper limit, it will be excluded, so it will divide the number from starting from the 2 to 6. So assuming that the number input by the user is 7. So then I'll write the dividing statement. I will use here if statement. If num, as I want to check the remainder if it is successfully divisible or not, so I'm using the mod operator here. Num mod I must equal to 0. So first time when the I will have the value 2, then, and suppose the user has entered 7, so it will divide the 7 by 2, and if it will be successfully divisible, then it will say that it is a not prime number. So I have written print statement not prime number, and if it is not divisible, so I will write here that prime number, else prime number. So you can write it else prime number. So I'll try to execute the statement. Let's see what happens. Is it giving us the correct output as expected? Now go and save the program and try to execute it. So save the program with any name. I have written here prime number. Now I'm entering 5. See, it is giving me the answer. The answer is correct, but why it is showing me the answer thrice? So we'll check that why it is showing the answer thrice. So the reason for showing the answer thrice, we'll find out that when the user has entered the number 5, which is stored in num, the control goes to the looping statement, wherein the value of I is 2 and num is divided by I, means 5 mod I must equal to 0, which is not equal to 0. So it is going to the else part. It is showing prime number. As the else part is written within the for statement, so obviously the for statement till the time for loop will not be false, it will keep on updating the counter variable. So again, even after printing the prime number as an answer for number 5, it will again update the I, value of I, which will be 3. Now it will again divide the 5 number by 3, and it will again go to the else part. It will display prime number. So this will keep on executing till the loop gets false. So that is why it is showing us the output thrice. So what we can do, we can use a break statement within the if part, and we will write the else out of the if part, so out of the looping part. So means that once we will get the answer that the number is not divisible by 0, there's no need to update the counter variable. It will just jump to the else part and print the prime number once, and the output will be given. And if any number which is given by the user which is not a prime number, suppose 10, so then it will be divisible by I, which is 2, and it will show not prime number, and then it will break the statement there only. There will there also the looping, the counter variable will not be updated. So that with that this statement, break statement, we will get the output once only. So whenever we are checking any prime number, there is only you have to just divide the numbers once only. There's no need to check it twice, thrice, or 4 times. But it can be possible to check twice or thrice, because suppose there are some numbers which is not divisible by 2, but it can be divisible by 3. So for that reason we are taking the loop from 2 till num, right? So let us execute and see the output. Now you can see that I have taken here number 10, it is showing not prime number. So we are getting the expected output what we want. And I hope you have understood this. If you have any problem, you can write in the comment section below. For more Python programs like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.